going on, everybody? My name's Jared Gortzma, and this is a hot boga gear review of the Firstlite's Solitude System. First piece I kind of wanted to talk about are these Solitude bibs. Give you a little background. I'm 5'11", about 200 pounds, and this is a large right now. First thing I kind of wanted to talk about are these side zippers right here. They go all the way down, but they also are able to open up. They've got a Velcro strap, so you can really air yourself out if you have to. Another good feature is this muff. It's really nice and warm inside, fleece lined. It also has an accessory pouch right here that you could put maybe a rangefinder or whatnot in. Overall, the material is really durable. It's really soft, water resistant material. The bibs from the top all the way down to the bottom of the legs have a 60-gram insulation. And next we're going to put on the jacket and show you how the system all works together. Alright, so here I have on the Solitude jacket. Again, the material on here is super soft. They've got 2 pockets in the front with drawstring. You can pull the coat tight around your waist. There's 2 more pockets up on the side here. What really makes this jacket nice is on the side, you can lift up both zippers and go straight into that pouch. So you can go straight in here without ever having to unzip the jacket, which is going to be really nice in the cold weather. You just slip your hands in and you're in your bib muff. They're nice and warm. The jacket also has the 360-degree turret hood, which draws up in the back, real nice and tight around whatever you're wearing. The hood is also removable if you don't want it on. The jacket contains a 100-gram insulation through the chest and into the torso. It also boasts 60 grams of insulation in the arms here. Overall, this jacket is awesome. The system is great. They work great together. I can't wait to use them this fall. If you want to learn more, head over to firstlite.com and check out their Solitude system.